Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto 9 Peak, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time settings on this device. First, we need to press and hold the middle button to open the shortcuts menu, like this. Once you open the shortcuts menu, scroll through the menu by using the touchscreen or by using the physical buttons. Select the settings option by pressing the middle button or by tapping on it. And now select the general option. Next, scroll down, find the option called time/date, select it. And here, make sure that the auto time update is disabled by tapping on the switch, like this. You can also use the middle button to enable or disable the options. Next, scroll down, select time. And here we have the list, or rather, we need to wait for the GPS. And now you should see the list of different time zones. And we can select the time zone we want. For example, let's scroll down, select something like maybe UTC +5, and then tap on it or press the middle button to select it. And the time will be updated to the appropriate time zone, as you can see. And we can go back by pressing and holding the middle button or by swiping right on the screen, like this. As you can see, the time changed. And that's how you change the time settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.